this is the finished look. This unit is from Sunber Hair, and this is their 24-inch wand curl body wave highlight unit. So at its base, it is just a body wave unit, but it comes to you in these beautiful wand curls, and once you comb them out, your unit is just super fluffy, big and pretty, just like this. I cannot make this up. You guys seen this from straight out of the box. This is straight out of the pack. This is not to bleach. This is nothing. This is just how the unit comes. So beautiful. I'm in love with this. This is gorgeous. This is glam. This is va boom. Like, this has got to be the prettiest highlight unit I have ever received, just blatantly. So yes, I love this unit, Sunber. Thank you guys for sending me this bomb unit, and thank you guys for watching.